Dressed your lies in light, spoken words that cut like knives. I gave my heart, you took control, played the king while stealing souls. I lost myself inside your storm, believed your love was something warm, but every promise turned to pain till Jesus called me out by name. You tried to break me, but I'm still alive. God pulled me out from the wreck, I survived. I'm breaking the chains, I'm finding my name in the fire of grace. I'm not the same. You can't control what God redeemed. Your lies can't touch the light in me. I'm standing tall, I'm free again. By His power I rise, amen. Breaking the chains, He set me free, yeah. You wore a mask of golden pride, but truth exposed what's deep inside.